Makati, by the way, Makati OB is referring to Obrigado, Mfundo Vilakazi, who's a Kaizer Chiefs player right now. So Moti uye wamdonsa under 15, what's in Toana Asambe. And that first game, Umdonsa, did he give you what you wanted?
Yeah, Mfundo always. Akusuko kuqala dlala ku first team, but kulesa stage lesa bengingazi ukuthi uzokhona ukuyimela yabo. So yeah, always mangidlala naye guy, boy. Yeah, I can talk and keep in ngaye because boy, he's fucking committed to football. He's passionate with football.
Yeah.
And whether udlala friends or udlala ini, he wants to win.
Yeah.
He wants to win.
Always wants to win.
He wants to win.
Yeah.
And because football unama football brains thingisho kanjalo unama football brains ufana noThabiso Sesane unama football brains not academical brains, football brains. Yeah,
what you saying, sure.
So he knows ukuthi mangenza 1 2 3 ngila izongipha outcome enjani mangila izongipha outcome enjani but mangila izongipha outcome enjani. So he used to ukuthi when we are down OP he used to ukuthi when we are down he said tribule kancane mebeza kuyathi pass sebayazi laba abadlala emasayidini abothotho nabo silindile bayazi ukuthi baya kuphi and then they will gonna go far as possible kunaye and then the striker siye phezulu and then you're gonna play that diagonal pass or a vertical pass or a horizontal pass but siyazi ukuthi uzoyenzana after all but and then he made that team to tick because nama player lawa amadala bebabelieve kuye ukuthi bashintshe izinto.